Whoa, that's fast.
How do you?
Look at this remote control. You can turn it by doing this. If you turn it this way and reverse, it will go backwards. It will go backwards. And then you turn this way and reverse. Oh, it's not working. What happened to it? It's not working. Bring it back. Did I turn off something? Oh, I turned it off. Yes. It goes, okay, it goes backwards. Then it will come front. Then backwards.
This way.
Yeah, let's you do it. Let you do it. Whoa. Bring it back. So it goes front. Okay, wait. Then it goes back. Then front. And then back. And then let's turn it on the left. Okay, then you turn this left and drive. Oh! And then you turn right. Reverse. That's really good, right?
Gimme.
Yeah, let's play. Where are you gonna bring it from? From here? Whoa. Hey, drive. Drive. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye kids. Please subscribe if you like my video. Bye kids.